Hello. Today I will demonstrate to you anti-acne treatment dedicated to problematic skins. Problematic skin is not only the one that has got common acne, blemishes, redness and irritation, but also the kind that has got problems with rosacea. It is overreactive to the changing environment conditions. For this treatment, we will also use a machine. The leading procedure will be oxabrasion and infusion. I will tell you step by step which preparations I will use for the treatment. So let's start. First of all, we remove the makeup. I will use Larens micellar water to wipe off the eyes. This is a very delicate preparation that not only removes the makeup, but also at the same time improves the pH of the skin. During the treatment, of course, we should remember that the client's face starts on the forehead and ends on the neckline. The makeup has been thoroughly removed by the micellar water. Now I will use a preparation called Derma Wash. It is a cleansing gel. I place a little amount of it on the hands and massage the face, neck and cleavage. This is a preparation thanks to which I can get to know the client's skin, see how it reacts. It may delicately redden. As you can see, the preparation does not foam, it only emulsifies. The client may feel delicate stinging. I remove the preparation from the skin with a wet cosmetic cloth. The preparation may cause delicate irritation in spite of the fact that it is very delicate. On the skins with a tendency to blemishes, it may happen. So we wipe it off twice, even 3 times, if the skin of our client demands so. If the client feels stinging, of course we help ourselves with the peptide serum. It is supposed to be relaxing and not stressful. Peptide serum. To soothe the possible stinging, an additional cleansing preparation is a makeup removing milk. It will soothe any irritations and will level the pH. We remove the preparation from the face with a cosmetic cloth saturated with water. We dry it all with a disposable cosmetic cloth. We put on some tonic water. The client's skin is slightly irritated. It may happen. It is a natural skin reaction. It does not do any harm. It is not anything unusual for us. We will place deep peeling on such prepared skin. This is a preparation that will increase epidermis permeability. Deep peeling is a preparation composed of two acids, pyruvic acid and almond acid, in quite low percentage value, per 5% of each of the acids and a low pH. Let's remember while putting on deep peeling that the neutralizer has to be prepared in order to restore our skin the natural pH. The neutralizer prepared by the company has got a pH of 8. So we will very quickly restore our skin the proper pH. But you shouldn't forget about it. Of course, if the skin requires, or in the salon you will consider that the peeling AHA will be more suitable here, that is a combination of glycolic, salicylic, malic and lactic acid, then of course we carry it out without neutralizer because it has got a high pH, and then it is not needed. After around 3 minutes, we first of all rinse deep peeling with water. We do it very carefully. Now the client may feel stinging, little pleasant on the skin. Then we take the neutralizer, put it on the skin, and massage for around 1 minute. Natural skin pH is restored, thanks to which the skin is prepared for application of active substances. All these should be rinsed once again thoroughly with water. If the client still feels a slight stinging, we should use the help of the reliable peptide serum that soothes any irritation. We dry the excess. Now the skin is prepared to start oxybrasion. We use biopeptide serum clear for oxybrasion. This is a preparation that replaces the saline that is normally used for oxybrasion. Try it. I recommend definitely better effects of skin cleansing because oxybrasion is used for it by using the peptide serum clear. We cover the client's eyes because the peptide serum is going to splash. The oxygen may cause some discomfort to the client. After completing oxybrasion, we prepare the apparatus for infusion. An anti-acne ampule will be used for infusion. The ampule contains biopeptide complex, a complex of B group vitamins, alpine willow herb that will work on the client's complexion, and at the same time it will soothe the irritations and redness. I pour the ampule to the infusion container. I close it, and we start the application of the active substance in the form of anti-acne ampule. After we finish the infusion, the skin is prepared to put a mask on it and give it a rest after quite an intensive cleansing treatment and applying the active substance with the help of the apparatus. I will use Aqua Peel-Off Mask for it. This is a very strong moisturizing mask. The mask, prepared in such a way, should be put on the whole skin of the face, preferably starting from the forehead, and evenly. Because the serum will not splash anymore, we can take off the cotton pads from the client's face. For the more brave clients, we can also apply the mask on closed eyes. This is an algae mask, so it won't do any harm. On the contrary, it will take away the swelling from the eyes, if there's going to be some. Here we're not going to fatigue the lady. I had not agreed on it with her earlier, but you can do it if need be and if the client is willing to. The algae mask should be put on quite fast, because it has a tendency to freeze quickly. We keep the mask on for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. At the moment, the client may feel intensely cold on the skin of her face. This is a correct feeling. After irritation that was caused by oxabrasion and infusion, it is very correct. I will allow myself to put a lifting mask on the neck and the cleavage in the form of a cream. Never too much lifting, and it is never too early for it. A very thin layer. We will wait till the algae mask freezes so we can take it off. We lever up the edges of the mask delicately with one move. We should be able to remove it as a whole. We should rinse what remained on the skin with a wet cosmetic cloth, so the skin would be ideally clean and prepared to put on the cream. Remembering that the lifting mask was on the cleavage and neck, we also clean its remainders. We put the cream ending the treatment for skin prepared in this way. Delicately massage the cream into the face, neck, and cleavage. Thank you very much for being here with me today. I encourage you to watch my next presentations.
Za to, że byliście ze mną dzisiaj. Zapraszam do oglądania